Granoff Chapter 9, Internal Service Funds. Internal service funds are an accounting device used to accumulate and allocate cost internally among the governmental entity's various departments, units, functions. These account for activities that provide goods or services to other funds, departments, or agencies within the same governmental unit, or occasionally to other governmental units on a user charge or cost reimbursement basis. The primary reason for use: to gain efficiency in the government's operations. Examples: the City of Houston has 2 internal service funds, San Francisco has 4, Central Shops, Finance, Corporation, Reproduction, Telecommunications, and Information. City of New York has no internal service funds. Take some time to look at this list of common types of internal service funds. And you can see that these are activities provided within the state and local government unit or entity. That's why we have the internal users, and these are support functions. The entity, the state and local government entity, needs to know full accrual accounting and needs to know all economic resources. Here's a footnote from the CAFRA for the City of Houston. Internal service funds are used to account for the financing of goods or services provided by one city department to other city departments on a cost reimbursement basis. The City of Houston has the health benefit and the long-term disability internal service funds. Both funds account for costs incurred to provide city employees with either health care and life insurance benefits or long-term disability coverage. So these are the internal users. Accounting for internal service funds. Internal service funds are accounting entities, are authorized by legislative approval, rarely have their resources restricted. Full accrual basis of accounting. Revenues derived mainly from other governmental or proprietary funds. Billings to departments is the revenue account that is similar to sales of a for-profit. Capital assets acquired by contributions or grants must be depreciated. Revenues and expenses are closed at year-end to excess of net billings to departments over cost, or excess of cost over net billings to departments rather than to income summary. Since the only customer of the Internal Service Fund is the government itself, the activity is presented in fund financial statements, but eliminated for external-facing reporting. The major fund requirements do not apply to internal service funds because their balances are eliminated in the government-wide financing statements.